I think our main objective to be here at the Essen Fair is to introduce our first 3 products which are made for the European markets. And we are happy to introduce 2 winter tires, which is the Winter Gen 2, which is a very modern, focusing the European requirements winter passenger car tire, and we have the Commando, which is a tire for vans for the winter utilization, and on top of that we have the Emera A1, which is a new HP and UHP tire for the summer use, and all 3 tires were developed specifically for the German market and the European market, I should say, which means they are tested with European engineers on European test tracks on European cars, and they were benchmarked against the premium products available in Europe. Well, we have just, as the 1st of April, employed the first European engineer who is taken over to build up the European Technical Center. 2 years ago we have introduced our first engineer from America, and in the meantime he has developed a full-blown technical center with 20 engineers. So this shows the interest of Kenda to invest in quality for the local markets. So far the American engineers are giving us a great help to develop products also for the European market, but more and more we will have European engineers on board to specifically design tires for the European requirements. I think the launch of the 3 new products gives us opportunities. Number 1, to enter new markets. We are, for example, not present in a market like Germany, the biggest market, because we've been waiting for the new products, and in order to position Kenda in the right place, I think it was worth to wait for the time, and so we are ready to go now. We have established markets in Europe, yes, where we are trying to uplift the image and the presence of Kenda through better products, and I think Kenda is a more competitive partner in terms of product quality than ever, and this is only the start of a development process that will continue, of course, and overall it is our aim to establish Kenda in the quality level. I would like to come back to our initial focus on Europe strategy, which is actually consisting out of 3 elements. The first element is the development of new products and have a product quality that is what the European markets require. So I think we are proving here that we have advanced and have achieved something. The second stage now is to identify the right partnerships in the market, because a product like Kenda has to be sold with passion, with specialists, with energy and with investments in the markets. So we are on the way of consolidating and looking for new partnership here. And then the third element, and they are equally important, we are of course interested in creating the brand awareness. So when the retail market is established, when the consumers can find the tires in the market, we are ready to invest in the brand and go and advertise to the consumer, like we have done in Italy, for example, where we had signboards in the second half of the soccer season Serie A in 7 stadiums, which helped a lot to support the market for Kenda in Italy, which is probably the most advanced market at this moment in time. Certainly a brand like Kenda needs explanation, needs positioning, needs support, and in cooperation with our distribution partners we are developing individual concepts to get to the level where we think we should be.